me pick up the QRP station. What's your call, sir? Over.
Yes, thank you so much. This is Whiskey 4 Kilo Whiskey Sierra. Whiskey 4 Kilo Whiskey Sierra, QRP 10 watts on a magnetic loop antenna in Key West, Florida, USA, 90 miles north of Cuba. Over.
Yeah, Roger, fine business, Tony. Got you at a very decent 5 and 5. From the island, obviously, you're surrounded by salt water in your far south, so I guess that kind of helps with the skip, I think, going out a little bit more towards the south than it is to the more northern part of the U.S. Anyways, you sound good. You're about 5 and 5 in Hamburg. My name is Rainer. The handle is the Radio Alpha India November Echo Radio. QSL?
QSL, my friend, I appreciate this QSO so much. I'm out here and the wife was helping me with the magnetic loop to point it in your direction. You're a solid 5.7 in the QSB and you peak 5.9 at times. Let me confirm your call again. Can you give me the call for the record?
Yeah, Roger, no worries. The call is Delta Juliet 2 Radio Sierra. DJ2RS, Tony, Roger.
Delta Juliet 2 Radio Sierra. Thank you so much. Incredible. I'm working with a portable, I'm here front yard portable with a magnetic loop antenna, and I'm trying a 146-inch element on it. So anyways, you're sounding good. Thank you for the cue. So back to you. Over.
Yeah, Roger. Curious, what kind of rig is that? It's like a Tiger G90 or something, or?
No, negative. It's a Fox Tango 891 Yaesu at 10 watts, 10 whiskey. I'm using the Chameleon F-Loop antenna, the F-Loop 3.0 with the 146-inch element, and it's QRP rated, so I can only run 10 to 20 watts, but I run 10 watts here. I just spoke to Argentina just right before us, my friend. Over.
All right, yeah, well, very nice. It sounds good, very clean, very clear, and I do not have any interference here. And I can see the beautiful pictures now looking through your QRZ page. I did travel to Key West in 1985, so that kind of tells you how old I am. I was in college at the time in the Midwest, and I did a hitchhiking trip in the winter time. I really liked the winter weather there. It was beautiful, much nicer than it was up north of it.
Oh yeah, QSL. It's always beautiful here. We really enjoy the weather. You know, right now the humidity is really getting to us, about 80 to 90% here. But other than that, the only thing we have to worry about are the hurricanes, and they're nice and slow, so we have plenty of time to evacuate. Anyways, thank you so much for this cue, so I really appreciate it. And 7-3 from Key West. Over.
Roger, all good. Hope you have a good time. You make lots of contacts, and thanks for talking to me for a little bit here in Germany. Whiskey 4 Kilo Whiskey Sugar, Delta Portable, Delta Juliet 2 Radio Santiago. Cheers, Tony, 7-3. Good night.
Good night, Delta Radio 2, Delta.